children, to the 8th session of this chapter, that is chapter 3, pair of linear equation into variables. Alright, so in the previous session, we saw how Cramer established the formula to find solution of pair of linear equation into variables. If the pair contains two variables x and y, then what is x? Equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole upon
a1 b2 minus a2 b1.
But if the pair of linear equations has two variables in the form of a and b, then what is the first variable? A. What is the formula to find a? Same. A is, it will just substitute x. x की जगह पे a लिखेंगे. So a is equal to, समझो x माइंड में, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2. And what is b? दिमाग में y को रखो. c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2. And if the pair of linear equation in two variables, if the variables are m and n, which is the first one? So m is equal to, keep x in mind, b1 c2 minus whole upon a1 b2 minus, and n, the second variable, is equal to, what is the formula? c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole upon a2 b1. Alright. And then I have shown you one trick as well. Those three coefficients, a, b and c, you may start with a, correct? Then anti-clockwise b, c and again a. What is associated with b? X. What is associated with c? And what is associated with this? Constant. And normally we write 1. Okay. Chalo. Ab, what is x is equal to? It's associated with b. So we'll write b. हमेशा 1. b1. b के बाद cyclic order में आता है c. So we'll write c2. Oh, small c guys. Alright? Minus. Then alter it. b और c को लिखना ही है 2 और 1 whole upon ab minus ab. लेकिन ये 1 2 ये 2 and y is associated with c. So c के बाद a, ca minus ca. लेकिन ये 1 2 और ये 2 और ये तो सेम ab minus ab 1 2 और 2. That's the formula. Alright. Okay. I think one we saw yesterday. Second equation, which is in terms of a and b. क्या है? मुझे बुक से बताओ. Question is same. Solve by cross multiplication method. One we did yesterday in previous session. So this is second one. Can I get that pair of equation? Say loudly. Okay, this is the first equation. We are going to solve by cross multiplication method. So which form is essential? Standard form. So is the equation in its standard form? No. That's, if you want to try, come on. Standard form. This is given. I want equal to 0. So 19 has to be carried on left hand side. Let me hear you, your voice. Plus 5b, say loudly. Very good. Minus 19 is equal to, this is equation. Sit down. हम यही एक काम करने वाले हैं इसी लाइन में, which implies A1, B1 and C1 are. What is A1? B. What is B1? Y. And what is C1?
Minus 19.
हो गया खेल, right? Yes. What's the second equation?
2A minus B minus 4 equal to 2.
Oh, that's already in its standard form. So straight away I'm going to call it 2. Equation 2. And that will give me second equation. So A2, B2, C2. What is a A2? 2. What is B2?
Minus 1.
And what is a C?
Minus 4.
There you are. There you are. Now the formula given by Cramer by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method, we have what we have? The value of x. X. Oh, I'm sorry. The variables are a and b. So first variable a is equal to. You can imagine this a as x. X is associated with
B.
So b. b के बाद साइक्लिक ऑर्डर में ये b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Excuse me. ab minus ab. 1 2.
1.
Let's put all the values. बोलिए ब्रैकेट में what is b1? चिल्ड्रन यहीं से देख लेना दोनों साथ में. b1 c2 क्रॉस आएगा. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन है ना. 5 और माइनस फिर माइनस b2 c1 b2 c1 that is minus 1 and minus 9 whole upon a1 b2 a1 और b2 नीचे 3 and minus a2 b1 a2 यहाँ b1 वहाँ so 2 and product of two brackets I O's are 20 with different signs so minus 1 2 or 3 times minus so minus 1 into 90 is 90. 3 ones are with minus sign. एक ही बार minus 5 twos are 10. So that is equal to therefore x is equal to एक बार x लिख लेता हूँ. Same sign total 39 with minus. Same sign total 13 with the minus हो गया plus therefore and this is the multiple of 13 both 13 ones are 13 threes. So x is equal to and y is equal to not y. The second variable in the equation is अच्छा यहाँ भी a right. It's not y. Now it's b and b imagine as y. Y is associated with c. ca minus ca. You may write 1 2 2 1. नीचे तो ab minus ab. a1 b2 into a2 b1. Now use your brain. Bracket into bracket minus bracket into bracket. What is that? C1 into A2. C1 is here, A2 is here, cross. Minus 19 into 2. C2 A1. C2 is here, A1 is out. Minus 4 into 3. Don't do it second time now. यही तो था, लेकिन don't write this. ये मत करो, क्योंकि प्लस का माइनस कभी माइनस का प्लस होगा, इसलिए. So you write this text. Minus 3 minus 10 directly, you know it's going to be same. So here minus 3 minus 10. Are you getting me, children? Yes, sir. I can remove this part now. So that is equal to, I'm writing once again here, that is b carried forward. 19 to the with minus sign Minus minus becomes
plus
4 threes are
12
same sign. Total कीजिए 10 and 3 13.
minus 5
Big number negative. Different sign subtract करो, that is 24. Big carries minus sign, so minus. Minus, it's,
26
excuse me, minus 26 upon 30. Again minus minus gone, 13 ones are 13 twos are. So that is i.e. A is equal to, you got 3 and B is equal to 2. Same solution मिला था ना? Now this is by Cramer's method. Yeah, cross multiplication. Here it is for screenshot. You will get that. Copy it at home today. Is that clear? Check. So we move on to the third one, where the variables are m and n. Number 3. Yes, beta.
7m
7m,
minus 3m
3n,
minus 14
1 4.
is equal to 0.
Yes, that's already the standard form, which is essential for cross multiplication method. Straight away I'll call it 1, and this implies I'm going to get A1, B1 and C1. What is A1?
7
What is B1?
minus 3
And what is C1?
minus 14
Yes, what's the next equation?
2m
2m,
plus 5m
5n
minus 4
minus 4
equal to 0.
is equal to 0. The second equation is also in its standard form, so we don't need to make it in standard form. Only this second equation will give me A2, B2 and C2. Yes, what's A2? The coefficient of M, which is 2. What's B2? Coefficient of M, which is 5. The constant term is minus 4. Right? By cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method. Okay? We have the direct formula to find M and N. The first variable is M. It is as good as X. To remember the formula, X is associated with B. So I'm writing B और cyclic order में आएगा C. BC minus BC. ये 1 2 2 1 लिखना आसान रहता है. Then constant, नीचे constant वाला associated with A. AB और AB बीच में minus. A1 B2 और A2. Now it's all about substitution. B1 into C2. B1 into C2 minus 3 minus B2 into C1. B2 and C1 5 and minus whole upon A1 into B2 7 and 5. So one is 7, another is 5 minus A2 into B1. A2 into B1, that is 2 and minus. There you are. 4 3s are same sign, so product is positive, plus 12. ये 2 बार minus है, so it becomes plus. 14 5s are 70, right? Check. 7 5s are 35. 2 बार minus, plus. 3 2s are, this gives me 82. 82 upon 41. That is lovely rational number. क्योंकि कैंसिल हो रहा है 41 का डबल है. Therefore, what is that first variable? M is equal to 2. बिना गंदा किए मैंने लिख दिया और कैंसिल है तो गंदू नहीं जाएगा. चलिए फाइन. So M is equal to 2. And बोलिए the other variable N is equal to C1 A2 minus C2 A1 upon A1 B2 minus A2. Now this is what I am not going to do, even though this is a video. I am preparing the video. तो ये आपका अब थर्ड है. स्क्रीनशॉट में ये मिलेगा and you will have to complete this. That means put all the values of this and you simplify. What we are getting n equal to 0. वहां मुझे n equal to 0 मिल रहा है. So solution of this pair of linear equation in two variables is m2 and m0. Is that clear? Sure. Children, what are these a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2? They are coefficients of linear equations in two variables. And these are the values. How are they? जो मैंने सर्कल किया है, which numbers you will call them?
Integers.
Very good. Integers. We'll call them?
Integers.
Not will call them. They are called integers, no doubt about that. Okay. अब A1 is 1/2, B1 is 2, C1 is 0, A2 is -3, B2 is -2/3, C2 is 1. कुछ ऐसे कोएफिशिएंट्स है, समझो किसी पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स के, what you will call them? They are coefficients. What you will call them? They are all rational numbers. क्योंकि ये आ गया ना, तो you can write upon 1, upon 1, upon 1, upon 1. So now they are in all rational number forms. So here the coefficients are rational numbers. Here the coefficients are like that. Sometimes you will get this √2, √3, √8, √7, √5, minus, koi plus, koi minus. So you will call them irrational numbers. The coefficients are, sometimes you will get 2.3, 1.91, 1.72. Then you will say the coefficients are decimal numbers, decimal fractions. Alright. So after the cross multiplication method, I think 3 sums are enough. You have followed. Alright. We are going to move back and see those methods that we have already learned. Substitution method and elimination method. But we are going to deal with some coefficients which are going to be rational, irrational, या तो decimal fractions. In fact, exercise 3.3 and 3.4 I have given you for homework. No? Alright, I have given in another class. Fine. So let's pick up selected sums from there, from those exercises, and do that. Okay? Check. Children, I got the finalized style of paper of maths जो गवर्नमेंट ने लेटली दिया है, रिसेंटली दिया है. ऑलराइट, टुडे ओनली आई गॉट दैट. गुड न्यूज क्या? नो डिडक्शन इन पोर्शन, नो डिडक्शन इन, बट weightage is changed. Probability 10 marks. Probability 10 marks. Statistics 14 marks. So आप 2 चैप्टर अच्छी तरह प्रिपेयर करो, 25 marks पक्का करो. You can pocket 24 marks in these 2 chapters. Are you getting me? So ऐसा कुछ variation है. Very soon I'll give you. It's in Gujarati. I'll translate and then I'll give you all. Okay? ये कैसा है? Good news. First chapter सिर्फ 2 mark. हमने शायद 20 दिन 3 वीक वो चैप्टर किया था. 20 days we took to complete that. शायद ज्यादा हो क्योंकि रिवीजन भी किया था. Anyways, that is good news for you all. So you can, but that doesn't mean those who are going to go for higher studies with science stream, please first chapter को importance देना और regularly revision करना, though it is of 2 marks. हाँ, once the portion gets over, like 1 महीना बाकी है, then you become examination oriented. Then you become examination oriented. कि अब मैं first chapter में इतना ज़्यादा practice नहीं करने वाला हूँ या नहीं करने वाली. You understand? But till then, please, सब करना. If you are going with science stream in the higher classes or higher studies. Okay? चलिए. So now exercise 3.3, question 1. This is exercise 3.3, question 1. Solve by substitution method. Alright, this is question 1. And from there, I'm going to choose the selected one, and that is fourth one. Fourth one. That is what is that? 0.2x plus
0.35
is equal to 1.3. All right. ये लड़की मुझे उल्लू बना रही थी, दोनों बात कर रही थी, फिर मैंने देख लिया तो इसमें बहुत ही अच्छा इनोसेंस दिखा, एज इफ अच्छी एक्टिंग है, सर को नहीं पता चलेगा हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. सडनली ओए ये बाल ऐसे नहीं चढ़े, सब पता लगता है. हाँ, ऐसे बाल नहीं चढ़े हैं. हाँ, चमकते भी है कभी कभी, तो लगता है क्या. चलो तो मतलब चल जा रहे. Now the coefficients are, हाँ वो थोड़ा तकलीफ देगा. Coefficients are decimal fractions. Okay, so here if you look at the coefficients, they are decimal numbers. We'll get rid of those decimal numbers by removing the decimal, and that you have learned in lower class how to remove the decimal. All right, you are going to convert these decimal numbers into vulgar fractions. They are called vulgar fractions. When you remove decimal, ये बन जाएगा 2/10, because after decimal there is one digit. कुछ बच्चे 2 के साथ x भी गिनते हैं, 2 digit. वो तो मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है, उसके साथ वो अलग है x. Be careful. So after decimal point there is one digit, that is 2. बराबर. So upon 10. So 0.2 it's decimal fraction, and 2/10 is vulgar fraction. All right. So we'll remove the decimal. Therefore 2/10 into x. उसी तरह
3/10
into y, and this is 13/10. We are lucky to have like denominators, so there is no need to go for LCM. Straight away you may write whole upon
10
or 2x plus
3y,
and that is equal to 13/10.
10.
Once again we are lucky in simplification. 10 is alone in the denominator, 10 is alone in the denominator. So you can cancel. Actually, if you do alternando, मतलब change the position from left to right, this 10 will multiply here, 10 ऐसे cancel होता है. So when a single number is as denominator on both sides, you can cancel them. So हमें हमारा फॉर्म मिल गया. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. This is equation number 1. जो उन घोंचुओं को पहले ही देना था, लेकिन हमको ट्विस्ट करके दिया. Are you getting me? Actually you can do with this also, direct भी करोगे तो कराए, but then there are every chances of making errors. So to avoid errors, to avoid mistakes, we will simplify and get very simple form. Okay, where the coefficients are integers. Okay. Second equation is 0.04x plus 0.5y is equal to what? 2. This is given. उसी तरह ये इक्वेशन भी दिया है, लेकिन उसको देख के मेरे पेट में दर्द हुआ है. क्यों? कोएफिशिएंट्स जो मुझे चाहिए थे इंटीजर्स, they are decimal forms. But then यहाँ कुछ मेहनत की है हमने. We have done some hard work here. Okay? उसका फल हम यहाँ खाएंगे. कैसे? डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे। अरे उसी तरह तो है, 0.2 की जगह पे 0.4, 0.3 की जगह पे 0.5 और 1.3 की जगह पे 2.3। सिमिलरिटी है। So I can write that, no need of similarly. I can write directly. Therefore, बोलो 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. I hope everyone understood this. I didn't go through these two steps because it's not needed. करना है तो कर लेना, ये आएगा. Okay. So you got the two equations. अब हमें सोचना है कौन सी मेथड से हमें सॉल्व करना है. We are going to solve by
substitution method.
तो किसी एक वेरिएबल को किसी भी इक्वेशन से हमें सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द फॉर्मूला बनाना होगा. कौन सा वेरिएबल चूज करेंगे? जिसका कोएफिशिएंट 1 या -1 हो. व्हाट इज द कोएफिशिएंट? 2. जाने दो. कोएफिशिएंट 3. जाने दो. कोएफिशिएंट 4. 1 -1 नहीं है, जाने दो. कोएफिशिएंट 5. ऐसे जाने दे भाई, अब तो नहीं जाने दे सकते. किसी एक को लेना होगा और उसके लिए विल चूज द स्मॉलेस्ट वन. स्मॉलेस्ट कोएफिशिएंट 2 है, so we will think of making x subject of the formula from equation number 1. So equation 1 gives 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. Because we are making x subject of the formula, x वाली term को left hand side पे रखा, right? The other term I carried on other side, so plus 13y became minus 13y. All right? Now I have to still get rid of 2. अभी भी x alone नहीं है, कबाब में हड्डी है. Get rid of 2. 2 on other side will क्योंकि यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हुआ तो on other side it will divide. So 13 minus 3y divide by 2. Substitution method में इसको हम equation number 3 कहते हैं, right? चलिए. Now comes the statement. Substituting value of x from in आपने 1 लिया था तो into. Substituting the value of x from 3, equation 3 in equation 2 gives what it gives. We are picking equation 2. कहाँ है? यहाँ. 4 into so 4 into x की वैल्यू है 13 minus 3y upon 2 plus 5y plus 5y is equal to 23. So once again we are lucky. 4 multiplied by fraction. आराम करो, कभी कभी ऐसे भी कैंसल. 1 and 2. Don't do that. Don't do that. Are you getting me? ये दो टर्म है. हाँ, here it is multiplied, so you can cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Did you observe the difference? Yes, sir. Many children are making this mistake. Okay? और फिर बोल रहे हैं क्यों नहीं कैंसिल कर सकते? अरे भाई, क्योंकि 4 minus 3y upon 2, ये 2 is shared by both the terms. आप ऐसे लिखोगे तो होगा 4 by 2 minus 3y by 2. ये कैंसिल होगा. Do you understand? Okay. So once again we are lucky. LCM की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ने वाली है. बोलो 13 2s are 26. 2 3s are 6 plus 5y that is equal to आ रहा सगा संबंधी. सिंप्लीफाई करो 26. डिफरेंस साइन सबट्रैक्ट 6 minus 5 1 y और बड़ा माइनस तो माइनस. That is equal to 23. Your intention is to make y subject of the formula. अरे वो तो नेगेटिव टर्म है, पॉजिटिव बनाई दो. उसको साइड चेंज कर दो. minus y on other side So 23 will carry on this side. So minus 20. I.e. y is equal to. So what is x? वो तो अभी ढूंढना है ना? So now कौन सा शब्द आएगा? Putting y is equal to 3 in equation gives. ये भी आपको करना है. Now you know what you have to do. So that will give me the value of x. बोलो orally कर देते हैं. 3 3s are 13 minus 9 and 4 upon 2. So you will get x is equal to 2. You will get x is equal to 2. Check. So that was number 4 by substitution. Are you ready for the next one? It's number 5. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Alright? Substitution method करना है ना? पहले देखते हैं क्या करना है. When you observe, of course, आप टेक्स्ट बुक या क्वेश्चन पेपर में देख सकते हैं दोनों को. यहाँ तो एक ही मैंने लिखा है. लेकिन after looking at the coefficients of both the equations, you can decide whether they are integers, rational, irrational, या decimal. Here you can see the coefficients are irrational. जब decimal है तो हम decimal को vulgar fraction में convert करते हैं. We remove decimal. अभी root है तो we remove. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करते. It's not easy to remove root. Root ऐसा नहीं निकलता है. आप निकालना हो तो निकाल सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. लेकिन आप squaring both sides नहीं रे. आप you are going to make your work more complicated. और ज्यादा complicated हो जाएगा. Okay? फिर ये तो x square हो जाएगा बच्चों. तो linear नहीं रहेगा. You understand? तो वो सब मेथड फेल हो जाएगी to solve. Simple. जैसे हम इंटीजर में करते थे वैसे ही करना है. इंटीजर में कैसे डायरेक्ट कर देते थे, बस वैसा ही करना है. So सीधा इसको रिजल्ट नंबर 1. नेक्स्ट इज root 3x plus root 8y is माइनस है, ठीक है. That is equal to O children. अभी मुझे याद आया एक चीज यहां भी ध्यान रखना है. When there are irrational numbers, this is square root of 2. This is square root of, and is 2 prime or composite? तो उसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. root 2 will remain root 2. Square root of is 3 prime or composite number? So कुछ नहीं होगा. 3 again repeating. root is 8 prime or composite? शायद उसका फर्दर सिंप्लीफिकेशन हो सकता है. देख लेते हैं. 8 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स 2 O's are 2, 2's are 2, 1's are. There you are. वो फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई होगा. So I write here given. So whenever irrational coefficients are there, इतना चेक करके आपको सिंप्लीफाई करना होगा. root 3 remains as it is. बोलो, out of pair 2 is out. जो अकेला रह गया वो root 2 रहेगा. y is equal to 0. And now I call it equation. अब जो इंटीजर में करते हैं, I think so, इसको सब्जेक्ट का तो फॉर्मूला बना देंगे, है ना, x को. Let's pick up equation 1. Equation 1 gives, what it gives? root 2x is equal to minus root 3. 0 has no sense. Plus root 3y on the other side. अरे बोलिए ना, एनर्जी खत्म हो गई. minus root 3y upon 2. Alright, this is your equation number. अच्छा. हाँ, बट सर उनकी गलत है. Alright, now substituting value of x from it, आपने यहाँ 1 से लिया था तो 2 में करना होगा, into equation 2 √3 x, x की ही तो वैल्यू है तो डालो माइनस √3y अपॉन फिर आगे माइनस 2√2y इज इक्वल टू दैट, कुछ भी कैंसिल होने वाला नहीं। √3 into √3 3y with minus sign upon √2 minus 2√2y upon that is equal to 0. ये राइट हैंड साइड पे मत लेना, सगा संबंधी हाथ अच्छे ओके, એટલે તો સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ कर दो, गड़ा हूं करे -3y upon √2 is 2√2y upon 1, y ही गायब हो गया। ये भी एक विडंबना है मैथ्स की, y गायब हो गया, जिसको ढूंढना था वही गायब हो गया क्योंकि आपने रिलेटिव्स को साथ में नहीं रखा ना, इसलिए ऐसा हुआ। Therefore, whole upon LCM of √2 and 1 is √2. √2 1s are √2, 1 into √2. Now 1 into this minus 3y minus children √2 into √2 2 into 2 y that is equal to 0. So this is minus 7y is equal to 0 multiplied by √2. Therefore minus 7y is equal to 0 plus 7y is equal to 0. Multiply minus 1 on both sides. 0 में तो plus minus आवे थी, so y is equal to 0 upon 7. So therefore y is equal to 0. Putting आपको करना है, putting y is equal to 0 in equation number 3. 0 रख देंगे तो 0 into anything upon is 0. So x equal to 0. All right? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? तो फिर सॉल्यूशन कैसे आया 0 0? पैरेलल होगा तो सॉल्यूशन ही नहीं होगा। Listen to me. इसका हम ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे ना, it's going to be a straight line and it will pass through origin. इसका ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे, it's going to be a straight line. It will also pass through origin. So both are intersecting at origin. That's why that solution is 0 0. X equal to 0 and y equal to 0. The period over. So that's all today in this session. They say the period is over. Okay, fine. So see you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.